Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Computer Basics. My name is Lydia and I'm here to teach you the foundational basics on how to use computers and other electronics. We will be learning what it means to search online and how we can do this. Firstly, you may have heard of things such as Google or Firefox. These are both companies that you can use to search with. Think of them like dictionaries, but one is made from Merriam-Webster and the other is an Oxford Dictionary. They're both dictionaries, just made by different brands, people, and places, and they serve the same basic function, just very slightly different. The one that we'll be using today is called Microsoft Edge. This is also a dictionary, just of a different brand. Think of it that way. Now remember the symbol for Microsoft Edge, a bluish green swirl. This will come in handy. So now let's take a look at what it may look like in your own computer or device and see how we can use this. Let's take it to the real computer. This is my home page, and from here we're going to look up Microsoft Edge and we're going to search things up online. Now you may be thinking, wow, my computer looks really different from this. Well, not to worry. Just like there are different companies who create different places to search things up, such as Google and Firefox, well, different companies also make different computers. So they may look a little different, but don't worry because all of them have the same basic functions and they will all look very, very similar. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the bottom of our screen and we're going to look for the Microsoft Edge icon that I referred to earlier, the blue and green swirl. Now along the bottom of your screen you will see maybe a few icons, maybe more, and out of these you will look for the one that you need to find, and that is Microsoft Edge. Now I see this bluish green swirl, and when I bring my arrow over it, I see that it says that is indeed Microsoft Edge. Once I bring my arrow over, I'm going to left click on it. Once I do so, pretty immediately a page should pop up. And from here, what we need to look for are magnifying glasses. I can see two, one up here and one towards the center of the page. Magnifying glasses are where we can search things up, and that's what we want. You see this blinking line? That means we can begin typing. Never start typing without seeing a blinking line. You can see a blinking line by clicking on where you will search. You see a magnifying glass on the right of it, you will click and you will see a blinking line, and that is when you can begin searching. You can do the same up here. Next to the magnifying glass, it says search. I will click on it until a blinking line appears, and that's when I'll start typing. Now, a lot of people ask me, well, what do I search for? That's really up to you. It can be anything in the world. It can be anything that you're curious about, something you just want to know or learn more about. And to keep it simple, today we're just going to look at the weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my arrow over, and where it says search, I'm going to left click. And once I see that blinking line, I'm going to type in what I want to search up, which is weather. Once I type in weather, I'm going to press the button enter on my keyboard. Once I do, results will show up. You can see the weather that it provides, and as you scroll down, there is more and extensive information that you can look at, not just the weather. You can look at different channels that provide this, services, forecasts, and so much more. That is the beauty of searching things up online. There is so much knowledge that is not accessible to us without the internet. Now, After I'm done looking up the weather, I want to search something else up. For example, I want to search up sofas. I want to buy some furniture, and I'm curious what the prices are for sofas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to where I had searched. I'm going to left click until I see a blinking line. Then I'm going to delete everything that I had written earlier. And since the blinking line still exists, I'm going to start typing in what I want, and that's sofas. After I type that in, I'm going to press enter. Just like last time, when I press enter, results should pretty immediately appear. Here I can see several different sofas and what they each cost in different companies. As I scroll down, I can see different places that offer furniture. And that, again, is what is wonderful about searching things up online. There's a lot of information that it provides that you cannot easily access at home. Let's review what we looked at today. Number 1, look for the Microsoft Edge icon and click on it. Remember, at the bottom of your screen, you should be able to see the icon, and when you spot it, bring your mouse over so that your arrow is over the icon, and then click on it. If it doesn't immediately open up a page, then give it a few seconds before you try again. Keep trying until you succeed. Second, once you succeed and a page pops up, towards the upper left part of your screen, you will see 2 magnifying glasses. These are both places where you can type in what you want to search or look up. As you can see, on the right side of these magnifying glasses, it says search or enter web address. You can click on these letters to begin searching. Now, before you start typing, always make sure that a blinking vertical line appears. It should look something like this. When you see that, you can begin typing. After you type in what you want to search up, press enter or return on your keyboard. It should be on the right side of your keyboard and a long button, longer than any other letters or numbers in your keyboard. Once you do, results should show up. If you see a search option they provide that you like, you can click on that as well. For example, I might want to look at the Weather Channel. I see that's an option that they give. I can click on that and it will take me to Weather Channel instead of just weather instead. After you have done so, results should show up pretty immediately. Scroll through all these to find something you're satisfied with. And lastly, but most importantly, keep practicing. If it doesn't work the first time, keep trying until you succeed. And remember, the more that you do this, the easier it gets. I promise it may be a little difficult at first, but once you keep doing it, it will get faster and quicker and easier. Don't forget to click like and subscribe in order to follow along for more videos. Comment with any questions or concerns that you may have. Thank you.